So there's a couple of benefits about buying a mechanical keyboard. So the first benefit is that basically you're going to be able to one type faster. You're going to have a longer lifespan of your actual keyboard because you can actually replace all of these keycaps, and also because the durability of this is a bit better than a normal keyboard, it'll last longer as well. And also with keyboards, basically with mechanical ones, you can actually get quicker typing because when you press down halfway, it actually activates the switch. So that means that you're pressing something halfway down, so you don't have to press all the way down for a key to work with a mechanical keyboard. So that means that you can actually type a lot quicker, basically with ease, with a mechanical keyboard. So those are some of the advantages. It's not all of them, but those are some of them.